just a simple advice for the youth, Sheikh. What advice can you give to the youth?
Simple advice is difficult, but a sincere advice.
No.
Don't do the mistakes I have done in my life.
Which are?
If I tell you, I have to kill you. So I would highly advise the youth to utilize their youth. Now, in my old age, so many things I regret now. I should have picked Spanish and French because I can speak them, but I didn't. I could have done wonders in da'wah in these two languages, but I missed my opportunity. I can do it now, but I'm too old to do it, in the sense that by the time I master it and you know the ins and outs of it, like I do with English, it will be too late. No, I have to focus on my priorities. Let them do hifz of the Qur'an. I don't memorize the Qur'an. I know it inside out with the grace of Allah, but I don't memorize it. You come and say, lead the salat. Yeah, I know maybe 15 juz or maybe 17 juz or 20 juz. I don't know. I'm not that aware of it. But had I had the opportunity now, I would have spent my life revising it, memorizing it, understanding it. Don't waste your time, because I've spent all of my fortune, all of my income on buying cars. And this is something maybe a lot of people don't know. In my life, I bought approximately 25 to 30 cars.
Allahumma barik, Sheikh.
I used to buy a car for a year or two, sell it, buy another car.
What type of cars, if you don't mind me asking, Sheikh?
I had all types of cars, Mercedes, BMWs, all types of four-wheel. Two Nissan Safari Patrol, Land Cruiser VXR, Jeep Cherokee, Trooper Isuzu, GMC four-wheel drive, two types of them.
A Mustang, Sheikh?
I had two Mustangs, one convertible, one not convertible. All kind of and Mustangs, by the way, are ugly cars. I don't recommend them. You want to buy something, buy a Vet.
Yes.
Corvette, mashallah, nice. Buy Camaro, that is more realistic. All of my friends who graduated with me and started to teach in high school with me today live in their own apartment buildings on the rooftop. They have a penthouse. They rent all of the other apartments and they have a good fixed income. While the past 30 years, they had only one car. Toyota Cresceda 1982. The same car, all of them. And they were happy. I was happy. I wasted my money. I enjoyed life to the fullest. I used to go off-roading. I used to save people when they're stuck in the desert. I used to do many, many things, enjoy halal entertainment. But where is my money? Down the drain. No regrets. The youth should utilize their time, their wealth, their knowledge, so that when they're my age, like we say, they put the fifth gear and cruise, inshallah, without any problem.
The Arabs say, "As-sa'id man itta'ada bighayrihi." The happy one who takes lessons from other people's mistakes. The Prophet ﷺ mentions that ثلاثة من السعادة. Three things are from happiness.
I have them all.
You know, المرأة الصالح, البيت واسع, والمركب الهني. So I don't think, Sheikh, you wasted your money.
You did not.
I think you utilized.
People don't know Arabic. Why do you say the hadith in Arabic when people don't understand you?
Barakallahu fik, ya Sheikh.
Translate.
Three are from happiness. A righteous wife, a spacious home,
correct,
and a good car,
a
good mode of transport.
Yes, correct. And with the grace of Allah, I have all three. Alhamdulillah. So I have no regrets in the sense that, Ya Allah, no, don't get me wrong. I've enjoyed my life to the fullest and I'm still enjoying it with the grace of Allah.